In this class we will learn how to use the command circular pattern, which allows you to create circular repetitions, speeding up the creation of pieces with these characteristics. The options of this command are similar to the command linear pattern, only what changes is the reference required for repetition. Come on, let's go. Open the model shown, available in the class, and look at these features. We need to repeat them in a circular way, and for this we will use the command circular pattern. We activate the command and select the features shown to repeat. For the repeating reference, we select the edge shown. For the number of repetition entities we enter 4 and for the angle we leave 360 degrees. We keep the equal spacing option active and, in this way, repetitions will be created while maintaining an identical spacing between them. See that this command also allows you to select features, solid faces or bodies to apply repetition. Select instances to be ignored when applying the instances to skip command, propagate visual properties. And choose to copy or reapply repeating entities via the geometry pattern. We chose to propagate the visual properties and copy the entities, activating the respective options and then confirm the command. Using this other model, also available in class, we will apply a circular repetition in a rectangular geometry. To do this, we must first create a reference axis. To create the axis, we access the Insert, Reference Geometry, Axis menu. We select the face and point, see the preview of the axis and confirm the command to create it. Then we activate the command circular pattern and select the feature in the graphic area. For the repeating axis, we select the created axis. We type 10 for the number of copies and keep the angle as 360 degrees. We enable the geometry pattern and propagate visual properties options, and confirm the command. Note that the replay was created correctly. Alright. We learn how to use the circular pattern command and its options, creating circular repetitions easily.